Just at the Carseland Wier. Gonna do some metal detecting. We'll turn on the gold bug too. Set sensitivity
there we go.
to max. All right. Got the small coil in for maximum depth.
I found another lure, but the string broke.
I found a dog.
Her dog tags might show up.
Yeah.
There we go, there's more holes. These are our latest holes.
These are the latest ones.
All right, let's find some treasure.
Here, hold that. See what we got here.
It's hard digging. That detector can only go 6 inches, so you may as well just dig half a foot down.
Well, it's getting louder though.
Hey, Gene.
I don't want to be on TV.
Oh, is it that thing? It only is whatever this
What
is.
is that?
I don't know, like aluminum?
Where is it?
Aluminum?
Oh, it's the foil from a cigarette package. Something there.
Something. Well, let's dig down.
All right,
Here,
dig it up.
do the wave.
No, oh, maybe. Just light signals.
There he is. Probably small, whatever it is. Don't try that pile there with a big rock. No?
Nope. Oh, do it again. Oh yeah, getting closer. I'm getting them to dig because I can't.
Oh, it's still in there.
Still there. Oh, it's a big rock. I hate big rocks. There.
Got one out of the way.
Surprise, it's still in there.
Two big rocks.
Getting closer. Oh, it's close now. Keep digging, Ryan. You having fun?
Water. No.
Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. Keep digging, Ryan.
Yeah. Digging never has fun.
the end we'll have a water well.
That's basically where we're at. Dude, it's still in there. Are you kidding me? I'm about to pick it up on this one.
It's been 10 minutes almost. This is turning into a typical gold mining.
Dog got some.
Dog almost got some. Do we give up or do we keep going?
It's up to you.
Well, I'm not doing anything, so I say we keep going.
I found it.
Oh, you found it. What is it?
I don't know. It's a bar. It's a bar.
Is the bar open?
It's closed apparently.
Is it happy hour?
It's a metal bar.
Can you grab it?
Is it going
It's probably it's going from here to here. I can feel it.
Is it going all the way across and stuck in there?
Yeah. Oh yeah. It's definitely stuck in there. Whatever it is. I'm trying to get underneath it. See if I can pull on it. That's what we're getting. It's a huge metal bar.
Probably some old docking.
Probably. Oh, you know what? What if they rebarred this? The bank.
Is it a pipe?
What's a
End.
found Hoffa? Yeah, stick your hand in there, Dave. It's just a metal bar. It goes from one edge to the other.
Sure.
Oh, that's
wrong
better.
edge.
Yeah, better do the other one.
Oh yeah.
It's like going this way. I don't know how long it is.
Yeah, it's just that's a bar. It probably goes, who knows, from either side, so it's stuck
And
in
it's
there.
just under the water line, so you can't see it.
Huh.
Is it still going?
That's what I'm finding out. Yeah, it still goes. That's right to the edge there.
Can you get the shovel under it?
Maybe. It just keeps collapsing though. Yeah, it keeps collapsing. I'll break the shovel. Oh yeah, that's...
Maybe that's what we
Oh, yeah.
were
That thing's not
detecting
coming
over
out.
there, or not.
That thing's not coming out.
No, that's...
All right.
Well, no, it did come
You
out.
got it. Not only it's a bar, it's a good beat stick.
Oh, gosh, yeah.
That's hilarious.
Look at that. Oh,
Beep the hole. Make sure we found that thing. That's crazy.
look how deep this thing is. Good metal detector, but totally worthless.
We got it.
Let's go for a flight.
that the thing I heard fall?
So, digging up some stuff on the river. This is what we found, the big bar. Looks like an old bell there. We got some fishing attachments. That looks like some slag. Lead weight. A spark plug, of course, because you always find that in the river. And of course, tons of bottle caps and a decent little lure there. So, if anything, we cleaned up the river, right?
Oh, we worked on it.
Good job. Good job, Caleb. Thanks. Thanks, Gene.